right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the opening bell with myself, Tshepo, and this is brought to you by TD Markets. All right, so we're gonna take a look at the calendar. We're gonna start with the calendar, see what events we have for this week, and straight after that, we're gonna go to the charts and break down um, the pairs for this morning. All right, so it's a Tuesday. Yesterday, which was Monday, the 20th of June, we did not have a session, so we're gonna start it today on the 21st of June. All right, so this is the economic calendar. You can find it directly from our website tdmarkets.co.za. Under the tools tab, you will see economic calendar. All right, so on a Monday, let me just scroll up. So this is going to start it on a Tuesday. All right, so Tuesday, what events do we have? I think we have just a few events. All right, so the 21st of June at 2:30, we have the CAD retail sales and core retail sales event. All right, they're expecting some changes on this event. So the CAD around this time will be a little bit volatile, a little bit aggressive. Just keep an eye on that. And that is the event that we have for today. So today we have the CAD retail sales, core retail sales, month on month. That's at 2:30. So keep an eye out for that if you're holding any CAD positions or you're looking to trade the CAD. And Wednesday, 22nd of June. All right, what do we have? I think we have a pound. Yeah, so we do have the pound CPI. Right, we do have the PPIs there. Yeah, we do have the PPIs, but the CPI is the big one. So the CPI month on month, year on year, core CPI as well. They're expecting changes of this event. So at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, pound CPI month on month, year on year. Keep an eye out for that. All right, and then as we scroll all the way down. We also have another CPI event, that is the CAD CPI. This one is at 2:30. They're expecting a change, so keep an eye out on that. CAD CPI month on month, year on year, core CPI month on month, core CPI year on year. All of them at 2:30 by the CAD. They're expecting changes. All right, so keep an eye out for that. That is on Wednesday, 22nd of June. And that's it for Wednesday. And Thursday, let's see what sort of events we have. I don't think we have anything major on Thursday. All right, we don't have anything major or hectic, so Thursday should be a clean trading day, nothing out of the ordinary. All right, and on Friday, let's see, we have the pound retail sales as well. This one hasn't been moving that much, but it's worth it to keep an eye on it. All right, so at 8 o'clock, the pound retail sales month on month, year on year, again they're expecting some change. And later on the day, yeah, we don't have any events. All right, so for this week, these are the events that we have. All right, on Friday we have the pound retail sales, that's at 8 o'clock. On Thursday we don't have any events on Thursday. On Wednesday we have the CAD retail sales at 2:30. We have the pound we have the CAD CPI at 2:30. We have the pound CPI at 8 o'clock. That's on Wednesday. And today we have the CAD retail sales at the 2:30. This week's event are not that big. They might not move the markets, but it's important that you keep an eye out on those events. And on that note, we're gonna switch to the first chart of today, which is gold. All right, so as we take a look at gold, so gold is still trapped in a correction. Right, so anybody who's looking at gold is still trapped in a correction. This correction is becoming a complex correction. All right, so as such, you need to know how the corrections move, right? And if they become complex, how would they move? But as soon as the market gets around this area, that's when we're gonna see a drop to the downside. All right, where it is, we can still get a move to the upside. This move can be a little bit not clear as well, but we are having a flag, a bullish flag. So completion of this flag, we're gonna look for a push to the upside, and then from around these areas, then we're gonna look for a push to the downside, right? Bear in mind, gold has been in a correction since May, all right, since around the 15th, 16th of May. It has been in a bigger correction, but looking at how this correction is moving, as far as the correction is concerned, we are due for a last leg to the upside, the third leg of the correction to the upside. Once that completes, then we're gonna resume this downtrend. All right, so gold, keep an eye out for one more push to the upside. All right, we're also looking at silver. Silver also is in a correction, right? It's forming a correction. And looking at how the correction has moved so far, we are due for a leg to the upside as well. And then as soon as the market gets there, we're going to be looking for a drop. All right, so one more leg to the upside that is developing. Now, in terms of silver, since silver is still forming a correction, all right, we are looking at a few possibilities. All right, the other possibility is that if the market drops and breaks this low, right, if this happens, if the market drops and breaks this low, right, we are still due for one more leg to the upside. This whole move to the downside is the second leg of the correction, and then we are due for one more leg to the upside for the market to fully complete this, right? This is the second scenario, where if the market drops and breaks this low, then somewhere around this low, you are going to get a push to the upside, right? Or if the market goes up, this will be a tradable move, but it doesn't matter what scenario you're going to get. When the market gets to this top, then we're going to get a push to the downside, right? That is almost guaranteed that you're going to get a move to the downside, right, in terms of probabilities. And then how the market will push up is either the market will go up from current zones, or it will drop one more time and then go up again. All right, but when the market gets to the top, you wouldn't want to miss this drop, right? So keep an eye out for silver. It's also in a corrective leg, or corrective structure, but we need one more leg to the upside to complete the whole structure, right? So that is silver. Keep an eye out for that. Right, and then we have pound Swiss. Pound Swiss is now trading at the bottom of the daily weekly structure. This is where it is trading. We've seen a lot of spikes to the downside from the daily view, right? And then here now around the zone, we are looking for buying opportunities, all right? So we're going to be looking for buying opportunities anywhere around the zone, right? From the daily time frame, the market is trading at the bottom of the structure. So here, any buy opportunity we are going to take, all right? So keep an eye out on pound Swiss. It is now trading at the bottom of the structure. All right, and the last one here is Euro Swiss. Euro Swiss is also in a correction. It is turning into a complex corrective structure, but just to keep it simple, right? In terms of how the structure moves, we are due one more leg to the upside, right? This leg to the upside will develop somewhere around here. It might not be exactly here, right? The market can give us one more push down, right? The market can give us one more leg to the downside, break that low, and then go up. But all you need to know is that anywhere around this area, right, anywhere around this area, this is where you would want to focus on your buying opportunities, right? Because this leg to the upside could be similar to this one, right? So this is turning into a complex structure as well. We can get these small lower lows forming, but all you need here is a buy opportunity, a trading opportunity to the upside. All right, so keep an eye out for that. That's Euro Swiss. So that is your gold, silver, pound Swiss, euro Swiss. All of them are looking good for one more leg to the upside. Keep an eye out for that, ladies and gentlemen. And this is where you're gonna end the opening bell with myself, Tshepo. Do enjoy the rest of your day, the rest of your week, and I'll catch you guys on the next opening bell session.